From the KATC Weatherland, here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. We'll get the rain gear ready. We have a wet 48 to 60 hours ahead of us as we move into the weekend. Starting tomorrow with a good chance of scattered showers and thunderstorms developing during the course of the day. Then as we head into the evening and overnight hours, we're looking at the threat of some locally heavy rainfall. We're going with a 1 to 4 inch rainfall. That means there's going to be a lot of variability. Some folks catch an inch or two and others could be 4 or 5. And the activity hopefully tapering as we head into Saturday afternoon. And right now we think we'll see lingering clouds on Easter Sunday, but hopefully dry. So let's bring it over to the weather wall and let's kind of plot up the rains by town across Acadiana. And again, you can see each one of the towns from Jennings to Lafayette, Opelousas, New Iberia, Morgan City, all plotted up here. This is for tomorrow. And here we go. We're in the scattered to numerous category for showers and thunder showers. There's variability. So you can see when we have these lines far apart, that means some areas seeing scattered or widely scattered. Other areas like this area in orange right here, more numerous showers and thunder showers. And this is for tomorrow. And watch what happens to the line. Here's the average as we move into Friday. You see the numbers and the plots going up even higher, so rain chances even higher Thursday night into Friday morning, and we're talking some locally heavy downpours as well, and the possibility of localized flooding. Big picture across the U.S. Storm system, big snowstorm now moving up toward Hudson Bay, but trailing frontal boundary, still producing showers and storms, but fortunately all the severe weather watches have been dropped. It's all going to be about rainfall over the next couple of days. Minimal severe thunderstorm probabilities, but certainly higher probabilities for flooding rainfall. And where we're seeing it ongoing right now, Texas all the way up into the northern part of the state, including western Louisiana as well. And as we get in a little bit closer, you see some storms really popping north of Houston by the Conroe area. Always like to take a look at some of the storm tracks here, see what we're seeing. And again, this storm looks like it's producing some hail. Some of the storms farther to the north showing some rotation and more hail as you go farther north and east. Another big cell north of Jasper, and it's storming Natchitoches up through Shreveport. So if you're heading up I-49 tomorrow, Alexandria on northwestward, call ahead, check with the Louisiana State Police because there could be some roads underwater, and you can see more heavy rains and storms I-20 corridor and then off farther to the north and east. Locally here in Acadiana, as we dial into Power Doppler 3, Acadiana's Doppler radar, few spotty showers showing up from Jeff Davis Parish tonight through Acadia Parish, just to the west of Crowley by Esterwood, and then just to the west of Eunice. A few other showers heading toward Lawtell. So that's what we're going to maintain overnight tonight, about a 40% chance of rain. The rest of Acadiana, as you go farther south and east, is going to be quieter tonight, but eventually everybody gets their chance at rain. Flood watch, western Louisiana into southeastern Texas through Saturday morning. No specific numbers from the Weather Service, but we're going to tell you in this area, 3 to 8 inches or more. Our area is probably going to be a little bit less. So let's put the HER model in motion. Again, you see scattered activity moving across the area, blossoming out toward mid-morning tomorrow. And this is going to be the story tomorrow, on and off showers and thunderstorms. Then we get into tomorrow night, widespread showers and thunderstorms likely as we head through the overnight hours, hopefully tapering off a little bit Friday. But I expect more rain coming in Friday night, Saturday. Here's just the next 48 hours, and the model really coming in hot and heavy, at least on a 1 to 4 inch rainfall. Isolated amounts a lot higher. Look at this bullseye out in the Gulf of Mexico. That's a 20 to 25 inch bullseye. Hopefully that doesn't try to form inland, but flooding a possibility. We'll have to keep an eye on it, but no flood watches for now. 73 the low tonight. Tomorrow, again, mostly cloudy skies with scattered showers and thunder showers and some rumbles of thunder here and there throughout tomorrow afternoon. 82 the high. We'll go with rain chance at about 70%, but you see those rain chances going up 80 to 90% tomorrow night, Friday night, tapering Saturday, and hopefully Easter looking better with cloudy skies. And then next week, looking fabulous with lots of sunshine, warm afternoons, and nice, pleasant nights. That's it for weather for now. We're going to have more coming up right after the break.